12:30ish. Okay, and I have a lot of work to do today, so I thought of vlogging that for you guys. I have to do a video. I'll do it on my own. My sister will not do it with me. So I was preparing that. I was jotting down the points. I'll shoot that video in the evening, or yeah, in the evening. So that's that. I was jotting down some points, and recently I bought two things. My sister bought one thing and another thing I bought. That is, the first one is this mascara. Amazing. I mean, I loved the packaging. It is from Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. This is how it looks. Okay, I have also applied this on my lashes. Can you guys see? It is so pretty. I received this in the morning and it costed only 200 rupees. Yeah, because it was on sale. Its actual price is 400 rupees, but I got it at 200 rupees. And another thing is, my sister bought earphones because the previous one that she had is not working. One side is working and another side is not working. It was from Samsung, and now she has bought this Boat. It costed her 400 rupees, approximately 399. So yeah, this is the packaging and this is how it looks. This yesterday only she received, and yeah, this is it. And it even has this clip type of thing. I was using this yesterday and it was quite good. I liked it. So this is the pouch where we'll keep this. I also use both earphones, and they have given this extra thing. This extra thing they have given. Now I have to apply Fevikwik on my earrings, like this. This is such a beautiful piece. I'll apply Fevikwik here and stick that. I also applied nail polish few days ago, and this is how my nails look. I am loving the color. Like, it is so pretty. So now it's almost 12:40. I'll go take a shower. So I will apply Mamaearth, because a few days ago I applied oil on my hair. Basically twice I wash my hair. One time I do hot oil massage, and after 2 to 3 days I apply the hair mask. So Mamaearth hair mask we use. So I have made a dedicated hair care routine with my sister, so you can go check it out. I'll put the links there. By the time you are watching this video, it will be uploaded, so go check that out. I'm not gonna show you that part because I've already filmed that of me applying hair mask on my sister's hair, so go check it out if you haven't already. And yeah guys, subscribe to our channel because we are trying our best to put content, and hope you guys are liking that. Now I'll go and apply hair mask, so I'll meet you afterwards. So guys, I just had my lunch, and I was editing the video that you guys are watching now. I completely forgot to tell you guys that last Sunday I went to a nursery, and even I vlogged there bits and pieces. So I'm gonna insert that clip after this so that you can see the beautiful plants. So it's Sunday and I'm going out somewhere, so I thought of vlogging it for you guys. I'm going to a nursery. I'm running late, so I just have to get ready and then I'll meet you guys. guys, as I already mentioned in the morning that I'm gonna film a video today, sit down video. My sister won't be there, so it's around 7:30 and I have to get ready now for that video. I'll do minimal makeup and just get dressed up for that video. So let's start doing my makeup because I'm pretty late now. I have to finish the video. After that I have to edit this vlog also and put it by tomorrow. So yeah, let's get started. I'm only using few products. This concealer from Inside I'm using, and this mascara as I already showed it to you in the morning, and this Inside eyeliner and lipstick. I only use this to hide my dark spots. I don't really put foundation while doing makeup because concealer only works for me, and it is of my skin tone, so yeah. So guys, I'm done doing my makeup. Now I'll get dressed up and then start filming. I got ready. So I am pretty late. It's 8 now and I have to set everything up and get started. Let's go and start filming. Guys, this is my setting. I think I'll be able to film there. I'll sit there and that is the background, and there will be the tripod. So guys, I'll meet you after I am finished with my filming. So guys, I'm done filming the video. I had such a hard time filming the video because my storage is full. I have the vlog also on my phone, and I was filming this video also from my phone. Okay, when I was filming this video, my camera stopped and the video, then the footage I could not find on my phone, and I panicked. I was so frustrated because I have 32 GB space on my phone. Okay, I don't have much space on my phone, and I still have this vlog. I have to edit that vlog, and I have this video also, this dress wala video. So I spoke for 30 minutes and it is a huge file and my phone storage is full. I had a really hard time filming this video. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and please give love to my videos because it takes so much efforts to film a video and then edit it. So guys, yeah, I'm ending the vlog here. I'm not gonna drag it further because I am very much tired. I had to literally sit for 1.5 hours and speak. So I'm tired. I have to remove the makeup, arrange everything up, organize everything. So yeah, hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.